A single strand of spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel, a fact that seems to belong more to the realm of superhero comics than the natural world. Picture this, a web spun from something so delicate yet possessing the might to outdo industrial metal in strength. As you watch spiders skillfully craft their intricate webs, you're not just witnessing nature's artistry but also its engineering marvel. This incredible material, lightweight yet incredibly tough, has scientists dreaming of futuristic applications from bulletproof clothing to space elevators. Dive into the world of spiders, and you'll find a universe where strength and beauty coexist in a delicate dance, leaving us to wonder what other secrets nature holds in its gossamer threads.